This is going to go up here. Shim this up a little bit. I also need to fasten this, which bottom up, 33 3/4, 33 7/8. That's about right. Might go up a little bit on that. That's providing this is square or level, which it probably is not.
You can come out more if you want to.
So high. So I'll make this one a little high too. Right there too. All right. Now let's see. 33 inches. Have him go cut that, and we also need one 6 1/4, 6 3/8. 33 and 6 3/8. We'll put those in.
Looks like you got to come down this end.
Yeah, I'll have to cheat a little bit, put a handle on it. But let me get this side done first.
And it came out.
Ah. Oh. Now I need a handle on the other side, probably.
Really good there.
I'm sure Dropsy.
I'll say it's gonna come out on the other end. Looks good.
Looks like I need to come down.
I can see it lip the whole way.
Does it look straight through here? We'll square it off here in a minute.
I mean, this is Lower.
Well, we're at 33 3/4. Measure that window. I want to have a little bit of room around it. But
33 and a half.
okay, so we're at 33 3/4 there. Probably need to change this, and so
You come down.
probably. Let's see here. No, that's pretty good. That's showing like it's right. This might need to come down a little.
Maybe this is angled.
Yeah, usually. So I got to pull this down a little bit.
That looks better, yeah.
Take my hand off. Let's measure the width of this thing. As I recall, it was 30, a little less than 32. And I think I've got to fill in this side almost an inch. So we need to build this up. Probably put some plywood in that. Or I could just put drywall. 2 layers of drywall is 1/2 inch. Okay. Ten and a half. All right. Take a break. We'll have the drywall on. We'll bring you back. See what it looks like then. All right. So what we've done is put this thing up to make sure we didn't look too terrible on film. I'll do it anyway. Decided we wanted to raise it up a little bit to center it. We put these shims in. Seems to work pretty good. Now we got a camera on it. It won't. Now, put screws on it. And we'll just screw it all the way off. Go inside, hang drywall. See what it looks like. I'll let you see what it looks like then. Some shimming and such. Still got to do a 1/4 bead around it and finishing. But if you notice, this is 1 7/8 inch and that's 2 inch. I think it's something like that. 2 7/8 and 2 7/8 actually. So this is a larger cabinet that was ordered to fit that area, make it look even. This is lined up with the sink. And now if you're shorter, you can see up and see the bluff line, which is what the goal was. That and to line it up with the sink and make the cabinets all fall out. So it's going to end up looking good. It was a good choice on their part. And it's only my job to make them happy.